Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Hellbig's Highland. Today I'm going to be talking about this. Let's get to the video. Be talking now about filament tangles like this. What I tried to do was to attempt to respool this out of sample filament packs that came out of this, and I'm trying to respool this at the moment, and I can't find the end to this, so I'm probably gonna have to take it off and rewind it again. So these were filament packs that were only 5 meters long, and these 175 millimeter 3D pen filament that comes in the sample packs when you go to order it from a printer that comes with the sample pack. So I took the filament and let's see, PTFE tubing that I cut from a Capricorn, and I go ahead and insert it in there, and then I took another end and clipped both of them. No, actually put it over a candle, stretch it out, and snip both ends after you're done with that, and then warm it up, push it in there and roll it so that binds the filament. So this is about 3 packs full, so I'm gonna try to unwind it. I don't have no special drill or anything to help me wind it back up correctly. So, let's see. Hey, this is my empty spool of PLA white. Okay, so now that I found the end, there's the end. Now I gotta get rid of this. So, here's a time lapse of me doing it. Here we go. Now that we're done with that, now I can easily just pull it without being tangled all the time. So this one I'm going to tape up too, so that it doesn't come unspooled. Alright, I got the end. So let's go ahead and tape this one up too. Like so. So now it can't come untangled. Now I can't come retangled. Oh, you can see right where I joined this one, right there. See, I joined those two pieces together. Alright, now. Oh man, I gotta untape it again. I can't find my beginning of my filament. Again. Where the heck is my beginning? Looks like just one giant spool. It doesn't show that I can't find the start of my filament. Oh, there it is. Okay, I got them mixed up. Alright, time to... There, got it. Now let's see my other one. Looks like a starch there. Alright, now I'm going to tape it right there. Now I got my two ends. So let's go ahead and start joining them together. Oh, this one goes in the same direction, so I'm gonna go the opposite direction. So that would be right here. Gotta untape this one. I've already burned myself before when I tried to do the joining the filaments together. So let's go ahead and see where my end is for this one. Nope, not that side. Where's the other? Billy. Oh, I see it. There it is. Okay, there's my other end. Alright, now I'm going to tape this one back up. Now that I know this is the beginning. Where's the beginning in this one? Oh, I see it. Hey. Now it's time to join these two together. So what you'll need to do is get a candle, lighter, and a piece of PTFE tubing from a Capricorn. And I took the snip it on an angle. You only need about like an inch. That's all you need. So what you do the lighter. Take this piece. Insert that there. So you have a little piece there. Then you're going to take your other end. And you're going to join these two together like that. Well, first you're going to need to warm it up and stretch it. Like I'm doing now. Like that. And you're going to snip this corner. And you do the same thing for the other one. Warm it up. Stretch it. Like that. Now, you're going to need to do this really quick. Because it's going to start to tangle up again, that's what I meant to say. Okay, so why the heck is it? Oh. Oh my god, I was doing the wrong end. Right? This is the screen. Oh, this is the short one. Yeah, this is where I want to join these two pieces together. Alright, so we gotta do this really quick. So once you start warming it up, they start to melt. You know, put the PTFT tubing together. And then you're gonna roll it around so that it'll join easily. Nope, I failed on that one. Let's do it again. Always be aware of precaution because I just burned myself. Alright, now I'm gonna roll it. Now when I take this off, it should completely bind together. And let's see if I can spool this without it tangling. Damn, it hurt. I should have known better to watch what I was doing, and I just burned myself. Alright, now. Yep. I know y'all think this is funny because I keep messing up every single time I try to do something. Alright, there we go. This goes a little twisty. Goes this way, the opposite way. Thought it was somebody standing in the hallway. There we go. enjoy another time lapse. Time to respool again. The tubing came off, and there you go, you got your spool filament. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.